Okay, this is a Woodford frost-free or freeze-free faucet. It's been leaking. It's been really driving me crazy. I was looking up parts to get a new parts list. It leaks out of there constantly. It drives me crazy. I was looking up parts, and the manufacturer says that you can turn this right here to make it stop leaking. Now we will see. No. Okay, so there will be a repair video coming shortly. There is a flathead screw right in here. I've already loosened it, so that is off now. I didn't shut the water off because I don't think you have to. We will find out here momentarily if that was a bad idea or not, but I've never done this, so it's a learning experience for us. I have the O-rings for the new packings. So far, so good. I've loosened this up slightly. Makes me nervous. Alright, yeah, so I'm going to need to go shut the water off. Give me 1 minute. Alright, water's turned off, no big deal. Now I can go ahead and pry this out of here. It doesn't even look like there's a packing on it, so. Alright, so I don't know what that is, if that's a packing or what. I'm going to do some research, and I'll be right back with you. Okay, so whatever this stuff is that I just showed you, it's not supposed to be in here. So I'm guessing the last homeowner packed that full instead of actually getting the right packing. It's supposed to be a packing support, which should be behind this, and then the packing nut. None of whatever this is, from what I could tell from the actual Woodford website, none of this, which appears to be I don't know what it is. It appears to be like, it's got the substance of or the texture of paper towel. So that would make sense why it is leaking, because it's not a packing like it's supposed to be on here. Okay, there's the packing backer, the backing plate for it. That is what this packing is supposed to ride on. So I'm going to get one of these out. I got 3 because I have 3 of these around the house. They all don't need it. This is the most used. This is the most used of the 3. So it's leaking, but I got 3 of them. I'm going to replace them all. One's bad. There's probably more than one. Not sure that this makes much difference, but I believe the tapered part goes towards the actual faucet. This will go towards the faucet. So then when it smashes tight up against here. I might need to adjust that a little bit tighter, a little bit looser. It depends. I'm going to see when I put the handle on how it feels. Feels pretty nice right now. So, I'm going to turn the water back on. We'll see how it works. All right. No leaks. So you saw how I put that on, and it's not leaking now. I didn't put a ton of pressure on it, but you know, I used, I don't know. You'll feel what's right, I guess. And if it's still leaking, you tighten it up a little more. It's not a big deal. I hope this video helps you. If it does, please subscribe to my channel. Appreciate it.